早安 Welcome to Morning Mandarin. 早安中文，我是 JoJo. Have you watched the 2020 live-action Mulan? Today I want to talk about a few concepts in this movie that are unique in Chinese culture. 我们开始吧。The four virtues engraved on Mulan's sword are 忠、勇、真、孝. In the ancient Chinese language, it's normal to use a one-character word as an adjective. But now we tend to make a word at least 2 characters long. So if you want to say someone's loyal, brave, true, and filial, you should say 他很忠诚、勇敢、真诚和孝顺. 孝顺 is a much valued virtue. Filial piety. This is the description of filial piety from Wikipedia. In my understanding, 孝顺 is to be good to your parents and elders, respect them, provide for them, and obey them no matter what. 顺 means to follow and obey. So you can tell that obedience is an extremely important part of the concept 孝顺. This differs from Western culture. 我的儿子每个周末都来看我，给我买好多东西。哎呦，真孝顺啊！我的孙子也常常给我打电话呢，都是孝顺的孩子啊。The images of 媒婆 accurately depicted my impression of what a traditional matchmaker should look like. They're old ladies with excessive makeup. 媒婆有很浓的妆。They usually have a mole on their lower face. 媒婆有媒婆痣。媒婆帮别人说媒、做媒。Do you know that 媒婆 was a very important profession in the past? They match couples based on social status, family background, but usually not your preference. Her words to declare that Mulan brought dishonor to the family had a lot of credibility. This is why the character was so arrogant. As society progresses, this line of work is no longer needed. Now, the artistic images of 媒婆 are usually negative because they represent the old values of 门当户对. If you come from a poor family, you don't get to marry a rich one. When I heard this line, 4 ounces can move 1,000 pounds, I was like, this is familiar. It's 4两拨千斤. 4两拨千斤. Jin and liang are units of weight that Chinese people use. 1斤 equals to 10两 equals to half a kilogram or 500 grams. So 1两 is 50 grams. 4两拨千斤 is a concept in 太极. 太极是一种武术. In Taiji's philosophy, you can use just a little strength to beat a brute force with a smart move or a small trick. Similar words are 以小胜大, 以弱胜强. Wish I know how to do Taiji. Alright, that's it for today. What else do you want to know from this movie? Leave a comment below. I'll see you next week. 下周见.